Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys enjoyed last week's videos. So this week I'm just going to put out two new brands along with some Sikus and a mini GT as well. So let's start with the Sikus first. So some of my favorite castings. So the Challenger SRT Hellcat Custom. So this looks absolutely gorgeous. The color scheme on this one. So and it feels heavy as well. So I want to see how that one looks. And then GTR Nismo. I mean that looks perfect. Even this looks honestly better than the Hot Wheels version. In this way. But we need to open it and see how different it is compared to the Hot Wheels one. And my last but not least, my one of my favorite casting, which I really loved so much in this particular set which I bought, which is this one. So the Bugatti Chiron. So it has acrylic insets and everything. So this looked, honestly, it was only one there. I was searching for another one. I was not able to find it. So I'm happy I bought only one. Okay, so let's go to the mini GT one right now. So this is this one. So a lot of people went nuts over this casting, in India, because of this livery and all. So I do have a S15 Sylvia, I think, in that one livery, red and black. So I did unbox that one sometime back. So when I bought this in Malaysia, the first shop had only one, but when I went to the next shop, they literally had more than 10 pieces of this one. So and everything is under the same price. It's somewhere around 1,500 or so. Okay. So the next brand which I'm going to show you is a new one, which is this one, the Super GT. So this is a new brand. Actually, I never heard about this brand. So the brand name itself is Super GT. So I searched a little bit about this brand in Google, and I came to know that the brand name itself is Super GT. So and they do this kind of 1:80 models, and this looks absolutely fantastic. So we will be unboxing this uh, this week, and we will go through this how, because I think this one is plastic, but this costed me around 400 rupees or so, I guess. I don't remember exactly, but I do love this very tiny castings compared to the bigger ones. Even compared to the 1:64 ones, I do like the 1:80 models. So I bought it. And last but not least, there is one more 1:80 model, which is this. So this is the Ford, like Ford GT40 MK4 Mark 4, and this is by Suntree Boss Coffee. Actually, they are a brewery company. So I don't know whether this came as a gift for a coffee or something, but I bought it for actual money. So 30 ringgits or so, I guess. I don't remember it exactly now. But this is fully metal. This piece is fully metal. So I don't know about the chassis, I need to see, but the body is actually metal. It is heavy. I mean, heavier than that Super GT one. So, okay, guys. So, with that said, stay tuned for this week's unboxing videos. And thanks for watching this video. If you like it, hit the thumbs up button. If you love it, subscribe. And goodbye.